at the Beazer model home. We're here at this gorgeous 2-story, 3-bedroom and 3 baths. We're gonna go inside and we're gonna discover what this beautiful home has to offer.
Hey.
Hi, Eric.
How you doing? Welcome in.
Yeah, thank you. And hi guys, this is Eric. He is a sales consultant with Beazer Home.
All right, so today you're walking in a Beazer home. Now, Beazer is an amazing builder. We build quality homes. And today we're gonna be in a 3-bedroom, 3-bath, 2-story home. It's just gonna be completely finished, and it's completely finished with some nice touches. If you look over here in the kitchen, you're gonna see how beautiful this quartz countertop is and how big it is as well. I mean, there's a ton of space to entertain. And to have all your family here, all in the living space, really it's just an open concept, you know, area here. And so as you can see, you're gonna also see how we do care about quality, but we also care about aesthetics. We have a very nice backsplash, you know, a full, you know, sink right here, and the appliances will be included except for the fridge. A ton of counter space. You can see over here in the island, you're gonna have a lot more over here. And these counters over here has a ton of storage as well. And you can see how high they are as well. And you also have it here on top of the fridge as well. So,
and I love this breakfast area right here, you know, where I guess you have guests coming over, you cut and chop and entertain people, and which I love, like you mentioned, very large open space.
Exactly. This is an upgrade, but it's been included in some of our homes. This is going to be a wireless charge, 2 outlets on each side with the USB plug-in. So that's a nice touch. You know, that way you can have, if you want to have your kids or anybody that wants to do their homework here, they can easily plug and play. And that's just another touch that we also like to do.
I have to do that.
So here, like I said, it is an open concept, so it takes you to the living area. It's gonna have high ceilings all around, and this one is including the fireplace. This one will be for sale as well. We do have 5 other homes for sale. Thing about it, all of our homes don't have any backyard neighbors. Falls on the street, but it is the Grove, so it has a ton of trees right behind it. So
I love it.
It's nice.
And this is tile, wood tile.
That's correct. So we do have 2 options. You can either go with the ceramic tile, wood light, or you can go with the luxury vinyl plank as well.
It's beautiful.
And over here on the first floor, you're gonna have 2 bedrooms. This one here is gonna be the primary.
Large.
And it's very large. It's also gonna have the high ceilings and a very nice structural design. This one here has the combo, and it's very nice. It has a garden tub right over here.
2 vanities here. Well, again, more space. Like he said, combo bath and walk-in shower, a large garden tub, and again, beautiful backsplash. I love how clean it looks. So I don't like cleaning much, so it will help. Like these beautiful grayish white color.
It just makes it very easy to clean and very natural as well. Lighting, and then you're gonna have your walk-in closet as well over here with tons of storage, and you'll see a
large walk-in closet.
Right, for sure.
We have a lot of
space and
and then we have these little beautiful shelves here where you can put more clothes, shoes.
A nice rack for the So we do spray foams in all of the walls and also on the roof. So that's also going to be very energy efficient.
Very good place for dogs, animal, pets, kids running around.
Exactly. So it's a good sized yard.
Yep.
Anywhere from 4,000 to 5,000 square feet lots. So you're gonna have plenty of space. And again, I did mention this one doesn't have any backyard neighbors. And then for the most part, most of our inventory ready homes will have the extended backyard. You know, we have different color options. This one here is with the white and the black. It's very, very popular right now. It's a very nice, beautiful, you know, just design overall. You're gonna have the laundry room over here to the right.
Look at the laundry room we have too. A lot of shelves.
And then this on the right, on my left here, you're gonna have a full bath. From the downs floor, which is it's a very nice touch because it makes the entrance very grand, you know. And then you have your other bedroom over here to the left. Yeah, so what is this outfit? It's very nice.
Yes, well, thank you. So this outfit, I have to shout out to my good friend, Nathan. He used to live in Thailand.
Okay, nice.
So I always wanting to see what the traditional Thailand outfit would look on me, right?
Yeah.
So he's like, I'm gonna get you one. So I just want to give him that shout out for that. But
cool.
yes,
very
this is
nice.
a Thailand outfit.
Very cool, very nice. Let's talk about what we have to offer though.
Yes.
So what we have to offer here at Beazer right now, it's a crazy incentive that we have going on. It's 6% that we're doing for the total price, and we're doing it as a seller contribution. You can use that 6% towards your closing costs, your rate buy downs, or towards the price, believe it or not. Yeah, so now, right now, one of our choice lenders, now we have 5 different choice lenders to choose from, and that's because they fight to compete and they fight to get, you know, the best interest as well. So out of those, one of them is offering a 2.9% for a 3-2-1 buy down program. So definitely is huge because, you know, right now interest rates are still in the high 6s. So that's a big difference. After that, it's 1 point each. So it's 2.9, 3.9, and 4.9, which is still less than the current what we have. So 2.9
for how long?
So yes, 1 year.
Just for 1 year?
Yeah, correct. 2.9 for 1 year. 3.9 for the second year, and 4.9 for the third year.
Third year, and then after the third year?
After the third year, it goes to the market rate. Right, market rate. But from there, you can finance, and I'm sure by that time, the interest rate will be lower at that point, for sure.
So beside the interest rate, what are the incentives that Beazer have for buyers?
Again, the 6%, you can use that towards that rate buy down, or towards the price, or towards the closing cost. Now, if you were to build a home with Beazer, we also offer great incentives. It just depends on the community that we have. Now, here in the Groves, we only have 5 homes left, and then plus the model, so that would be 6 once the other ones sell. And from those, we have the price ranging from anywhere from $350 all the way to about $430. So it just depends on what style, what layout, and which floor plan you go with. We have 4 one-story homes and then 2 two-story homes. So,
and what's the warranty like on these homes?
So we have a 2-1-10. I mean, 1-2-10. And so the 1 year will cover everything. The 2 year, the main components, like such as HVAC, electricity, and plumbing. And then the 10 is going to be structural.
Wow, that's really good, guys.
Oh yeah. So come by Beazer Home today. It's the best you can get. So great quality, and you've heard everything about it. So definitely, you know, you can call her or you can call me directly. But you know, we'll definitely take care of you. And if you have any questions, just let us know.
And again, this is Eric. I'm Vienna. My number is 281-739-0658. Call one of us here, and we'd love to help you buy one of your beautiful dream homes.
Awesome, amazing. Thank you so much for watching.
Thank you, guys.
All right.
That was good.
Yeah.